अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम सलाम।
كيف أنتم يا أولاد؟
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, we are learning the spoken Arabic, and this week we are learning about the introduction and greetings. How we introduce ourselves to the others and how we greet to the others. So today we will learn this same topic and more lesson about the introduction and the greetings. This is a conversation between two friends fil kulliyati at the faculty or we say at college. Ahmadu assalamu alaikum. Ahmad greets assalamu alaikum. And yesterday we learned when someone greets you with the assalamu alaikum, we reply wa alaikum assalam. So Tariq replying wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Ahmadu. My name is Ahmad. Ismi, my name. My name is Ahmad. Masmuka. What is your name? Ismi Tariqun. My name is Tariq. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. You're welcome. And in reply of ahlan wa sahlan, we can say ahlan bika. Ahlan bika. And if there is a feminine, then we will say ahlan biki. For masculine, we will say ahlan bika. And for masculine, we will say biki. So they are both masculine, muzakkar. So Tariq replies ahlan bika. You are welcome. Hal anta talibun fil jamiati. Hal mean do. Do you student or are you a student? Fil jamiati at the university. Are you a student at the university? Naam, yes. Ana talibun fil jamiati. Ana talibun, yes, I am a student. Fil jamiati at the university. I am a student at the university, in the university. So you can translate both. Fi ayyi, ayyi, yesterday we have learned, it means how much. It means which. It means which. Fi ayyi, in which. Kulliyatin, in which faculty. Tadrusu, you read. Fi ayyi kulliyatin tadrusu, in which faculty do you read? Do you study? In which faculty do you study? Tadrusu, you study. Adrusu, I study. Tadrusu, you study. Adrusu, I study. Fi kulliyatil ulumil islamiyati. I study or I am studying in the faculty of Islamic science. Islamic science. I am studying in the faculty of Islamic science. Fi ayyi sanatin. Fi ayyi sanatin. In which year? Ayyi, which, sanatin, year. In which year do you study? So fi ayyi sanatin, in which year? Fi saffi tahdiriyi. Saffi tahdiriyi, preparatory class. Saf mean class. Tahdiriyi, preparatory or introductory class. Preparatory or introductory class. We call it التحضيري. Introductory. Introductory or preparatory का. Preparatory. I am studying في الصف التحضيري in the preparatory class or introductory class. وأنت أين تدرس؟ تدرس. وأنت أين تدرس? And where do you study? And where do you study? هل تدرس في الصف التحضيري؟ Okay. If you cannot hear, please check your setting of the Zoom. وأنت أين تدرس? And where do you study? أدرس في كلية العلوم الإسلامية أيضا. I also study at the Faculty of Islamic Studies or Islamic Science. You can say Islamic Studies or you can say Islamic Science. Islamic study also you can translate. Faculty of Islamic Studies. هل تدرس في الصف التحضيري? Do you study? هل تدرس? Do you study في الصف التحضيري in the introductory class? Do you study in the introductory class or preparatory class? La, no. Adrusu, I study في السنة الأولى. I study in first year. I study in first year. سنة الأولى, first year. Sanatin year, Ula mean first. No, I study in the first year. Fursatun Saidatun. Ma'as salamati. Fursatun Saidatun Ma'as salamati. Goodbye. Ma'as salamati. So this is our first conversation. And after this, we will read another one. Any one of you want to ask any meaning or any translation, you can ask. Okay. So who of you want to read and translate this one? Rabia Basri.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Ahmad, assalamu alaikum. Ahmad, assalamu alaikum. Tariq, wa alaikum assalam. Tariq, wa alaikum assalam. Ahmadu, ismi Ahmad. Masmuka? My name is Ahmad. What's your name? Tariq. Ismi Tariq. My name is Tariq. Ahmad, ahlan wa sahlan. You are welcome. Tariq, ahlan bika. You are welcome. Ahmad, hal anta talibun fil jamiati? Are you student of university?
Okay.
Tariq, naam, ana talibun fil jamiati. Yes, I am student of university. Ahmad, fi ayyi kulliyatin tadrusu? In which faculty do you study? Tariq, adrusu fi kulliyatil ulumil islamiyyati. I study in the faculty of Islamic Science or Islamic Studies. Ahmad, fi ayyi sanatin? In which year? Tariq, fi saffit tahdhiriyya. in the class of
تحضيري في الصف التحضيري.
okay في الصف التحضيري تحضيري
Okay.
in the class of in the introductory or preparatory class. وأنت أين تدرس? And in which and you and where you study?
Okay. وأنت أين تدرس and where do you study?
And where do you study? أحمد أدرس في كلية العلوم الإسلامية أيضا. I study in the faculty of Islamic Science or Islamic Studies also. هل تدرس طارق هل تدرس في الصف التحضيري? Do you study in the class of preparatory or introductory? أحمد لا أدرس في السنة الأولى. No, I study in the first year.
First year.
طارق فرصة سعيدة مع السلامة. Nice to meet you. أحمد مع السلامة.
Nice to فرصة سعيدة. Nice to meet you. مع السلامة. Goodbye. مع السلامة. Goodbye.
مع السلامة. Goodbye.
Okay. And this ma salamati mean also goodbye. Okay, thank you. Jazakallah. So who will next will read? Okay. Okay. Okay, please you read. Open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
في الكليات conversation between college. Ahmad, assalamu alaikum.
Fil kulliyati at the college. At the college.
At the college. Yes. Ahmad, assalamu alaikum. Tariq, wa alaikum assalam. Ahmad, asmi.
Mussalam. Wa alaikum mussalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Mussalam.
Mussalam.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Ahmad, asmi Ahmad.
Ismi.
Ma ismu.
Ismi.
Ismi Ahmad.
Ahmad.
Ahmadu. Ma ismuk.
Not Ahmad. Ahmad. Ismi Ahmadu.
Ahmad. Ismi Ahmad. Ma ismuka.
Masmuka.
Masmuka. Masmuka.
Okay.
Ismi Tariq. Yes.
Translate also, please.
My name is Ahmad, and your name
Okay.
Tariq.
Masmuka. What is your name? Masmuka.
What is your name?
Okay. Next.
Tariq. Ismi Tariq. My name is Tariq. Ahmad. Ahlan wa sahlan. You are welcome. Tariq. Ahlan bika. You are welcome. Ahmad. Hal anta talibun fi al-jami'at?
Fil jamiati. Fil jamiati.
Fil jami'at.
Jamiati.
Jami'ati. You are a student. You are from.
Are you a
Sorry.
student? Are you a student at university? Or in university?
Are you a student? Yes. Are you a student in university?
Okay,
Naam. Tariq. Naam. Ana talibu fi al jamiat.
Fil
Yes,
jamiati.
I am a student.
Fil
Fil
jamiati.
jamiat.
Ana talibun fil jamiati.
Ana talibun fi jamiat.
Fil
Jamiati.
jamiati.
Fil jamiati. Yes, I am a student in university.
Okay, good.
أحمد في أي كلية تدرس؟
في أي في أي
في أي في أي كلية
كلية.
تدرس؟
You see, this is أي. There is kasra below the shadda.
أي
أي
أي yeah.
أي أي. You see, this is
أي
shadda and this is kasra.
yes. في أي كلية تدرس؟
كليات
كلية
كليات.
كليات كليات تدرس.
Okay, good.
In which faculty? طارق أدرس في
In
كلية
which faculty do you study? Tadrusu, you study.
In which faculty do you study? Yes. طارق أدرس في كلية العلوم علوم الإسلامية.
Islamiyati.
إسلامية. I study in Islamic science. أحمد في أي سنة in which faculty do you study?
في أي
في أي سنة
Okay. In which year? في
in
أي.
which year?
Okay.
طارق في الصف طارق في الصف التحضيرية.
صف التحضيري.
في صف التحضيري
تحضيري.
تحضيري وأنت أين تدرس؟
Okay, good. I في صف التحضيري in the introductory class, in the preparatory class.
in the
وأنت.
preparatory class.
Okay.
وأنت أين تدرس? And you study in which faculty?
وأنت أين تدرس, and where do you study?
وأنت أين تدرس? Where do you study?
Okay, good.
أحمد أدرس في كلية علوم الإسلامية أيضا. أيضا.
Okay, good. I study in the faculty of Islamic Studies. Also, I also study in the faculty of Islamic Studies.
I also study in faculty of Islamic study. طارق هل تدرس في صف التحضيري؟
Okay. Do you also study? هل تدرسوا في الصف التحضيري? Do you study in the preparatory class, in the introductory class?
Do you study in preparatory class? Yes. أحمد لا أدرس في السنة الأولى. Yeah, no, I study.
I study in
لا no.
in the first year. No, I study in first year.
No, I study in first year. طارق فرصة سعيدة مع السلامة. Nice to meet you. فرصة سعيدة مع السلامة. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Ahmad, مع السلامة. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay. Okay, thank you. We move next. This is a second lesson for today. الدرس الثاني مع أصدقائي مع أصدقائي with my friends. So in this lesson we will learn when we are with our friends, how we talk with them and how we greet them, how we introduce ourselves and how we introduce the other people to our friends. Jamalun Sabahul Khair. Sabahul Khair, good morning. And in reply of Sabahul Khair, we have learned that we reply Sabahun Nur. Sabahun Nur mean also good morning. Kaifa haluka, how are you? Bi khairin, fine. Walhamdulillahi, and all praises be to Allah. Alhamdulillah, wa anta, and you. So wa anta mean he also want to ask, how are you? Wa anta, and you. Alhamdulillahi bi khairin. Alhamdulillah, I am good, I am fine. Haza Sadiqi Ahmadu. Haza Sadiqi, this is my friend. Haza mean this, Sadiqi, my friend. This is my friend, Ahmadu Ahmad. So we are introducing our friend to the third person. Haza Sadiqi Ahmadu, this is my friend Ahmad. Huwa talibun, he is a student. Huwa talibun, he is a student. Fi kulliyatil ulumil islamiyati, at the faculty of Islamic science or Islamic study. Haza Sadiqi Ahmadu, this is my friend Ahmad. Huwa talibun fi kulliyatil ulumil islamiyati, he is student at the faculty of Islamic studies or at the faculty of Islamic science. Ahmadu marhaban. Marhaban, welcome. Hello. Marhaban, hello. Or we can say welcome also. Tariqun wa haza Sadiqi Jamalun. Now Tariq is introducing his friend. Tariq is introducing his friend to Jamal. Haza Sadiqi Jamalun. This is my friend Jamal. Wa haza Sadiqi Jamalun. And this is my friend Jamal. Huwa talibu fi kulliyati tibbi. Huwa talib. Actually, this is talibun. Huwa talibun. Huwa talibun fi kulliyati tibbi. He is a student at the faculty of medicine. Kulliyati tibbi, faculty of medicine. He is a student at the faculty of medicine. Tasharrafna. Tasharrafna means nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Tasharrafna, pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. Min aina anta ya Jamalu. Min aina anta ya Jamalu. Where are you from? Min aina anta. Min mean where. Aina mean from. Aina mean where. Anta mean you. Min aina anta ya Jamalu. Jamal, where are you from? Min Surya. Min Surya, from Syria. Min Surya, from Surya. Hal anta Suriyun. Are you Syrian? Hal anta Suriyun? Are you Syrian? Naam ana Suriyun. Yes, I am Syrian. Wama jinsiyatuka anta. Jinsiyatuka, yesterday we have learned about the jinsiyatu mean nationality. Wama jinsiyatuka anta, and what is your nationality? Ana Turkiyun. I am Turkish. Ana Turkiyun. I am Turkish. Min ayyi madinatin. Min ayyi madinatin. Madinatin means city. Madinatin, city. From which city? From which city? Min Istanbula. Min Istanbula. From Istanbul. Kam umruka. Kam umruka. What is your age? What is your age? How much is your age? So, what is your age? Kam umruka. Umri, my age. Umri, my age. Umruka, your age. Umruka, your age. Umri, my age. My age is Shruna Sanatan, 20 years. My age is 20 years. Asta Zinuka. Asta Zinuka means I need your permission. Asta Zinuka, I need permission in the Darsunilana. This is Darsunilana. Su Nilana. Su and Nil. In the Darsunilana. I have a lesson now. I have a class now, or I have a lesson now. Tafaddal. Tafaddal, go ahead. Tafaddal mean go ahead. Go ahead. Ilal liqai, bye. Ma'as salamati, bye. Ma'as salamati, bye. Okay, so this one is our second lesson. Who of you will read this one? Okay. Mr. Wali, please open your mic.
Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ma asdiqai, with my friends. Jamalun, Sabah al-Khair. Tariq, Sabah al-Nur. Jamal, Kaifa haluk? How are you? Jamal, how are you? Tariq, Bikhair, walhamdulillah wa anta. I am all right, and alhamdulillah, and how are you?
Wanta and you.
Jamal, yes.
Okay, continue.
Jamal, alhamdulillah, Bikhair. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. طارق هذا صديقي أحمد هو طالب في كلية العلوم الإسلامية. طارق, this is my friend Ahmed, and he is a student of college.
He is a student at the Faculty of Islamic Studies.
He is a student at Faculty of Islamic Studies.
Okay, good.
جمال تشرفنا.
وهذا صديقي جمال.
وهذا صديقي جمال, and this is my friend Jamal. هو طالب في كلية الطب, and he is a student of medical.
Faculty of Medicine.
Faculty of Medicine. Jamal, تشرفنا. Welcome. What is
Nice
meaning
to
of
meet you.
تشرف?
Sharafna, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. أحمد من أين أنت يا جمال Where are you from oh جمال جمال من سوريا from Syria أحمد هل أنت سوري Are you Syrian جمال نعم أنا سوري وما جنسيتك جمال yes I am Syrian and what is your nationality
Okay, good.
أحمد أنا تركي I am Turkish جمال من أي مدينة from which city you are أحمد من اسطنبول كم عمرك أحمد I am from Istanbul what is your age
Min Istanbul, from Istanbul.
from Istanbul what is your age جمال عمري 20 سنة جمال my age is 20 years أحمد أستأذنك عندي درس الآن أحمد
With your permission, I have a lesson now.
with your permission I have
lesson.
first lesson
Okay, I have a lesson now.
I have a lesson now جمال تفضل جمال go ahead أحمد إلى اللقاء goodbye جمال مع السلامة goodbye
Okay, good. Okay, thank you very much. Marlia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ma'a asdiqai with my friend. Jamalun. Sabahul khair. Good morning. Tariqun. Sabahul nur. Good morning. Kaifa haluka? How are you? Bi khairin walhamdulillah wa anta. I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. And you? Alhamdulillah bi khairin. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Hada sodiki Ahmadu huwa tolibun fi kuliyatil ulumil Islam miyati.
Huwa talibun. Huwa talibun.
Huwa tolibun fi kuliyatil ulumil Islamiyati. This is my friend Ahmad. He is a student at Faculty of Islamic Study. Marhaban. Nice to meet you.
Marhaban, welcome.
Wahada. Oh, you're welcome. Wahada sodiki Jamalun. Huwa tolibun fi kuliyatil tibbi.
Tibbi.
Oh, tibbi. Huwa tolibun fi kuliyati tibbi. He is my friend. He is student at Faculty of Medicine.
Okay, good.
Tasarrufna. Nice to meet you.
Good.
Min aina anta ya Jamalu? Where are you from? Ya, oh Jamal. min Surya. I'm from Surya.
Min Surya
Syria.
from Syria. Min
From
Surya
Syria.
from Syria.
Yes. From Syria. Hal anta Suryun? Are you Syrian?
Like Syrian.
Are you Syrian? Naam. Ana Suryun. Yes, I am Syrian.
Okay, good.
Wama jinsiyatuka anta? And what is your nationality?
Good.
Ana Turkiyun. I am Turkish.
Okay, good.
Min ayi madinatin?
Min ayyi madinatin. Ayyi madinatin.
Min ayi madinatin? From which city?
Good.
Min Istanbul. Kam umruka? From Istanbul. Are you age?
Okay, what is your age?
Oh, apa Ustaz?
Kam umruka, what is your age? Kam umruka, what is your age?
Oh, what is your age? Umri is Runa Sanatan. My age is 20 years. Astazinuka. Indi Darsunil Ana. I need information.
I need your permission. I need your permission. With
Oh.
your permission, I have
Permission.
yes.
Yes. I need permission. I have a lesson now.
I have a lesson. Okay, thank you very much. Our time is over for today. And inshallah, next week we will study another topic there, inshallah. So, ila liqa'i ma salama.